That's what happens when you sleep with a matches. Oh yeah. And that's what happens.
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Warframe from Scratch. This is episode 7. We're making it pretty far. I know it's been a while since the last episode, but things have kind of slowed down, and yeah, I'm gonna explain to you guys why that has
Operator,
been
the
and
system needs
what's
you.
going on.
Will you
But
begin another mission?
yeah, I thought I'd go ahead and start off by showing, obviously, the planet side progress. We are starting to clear the entire star chart. Most places are cleared except for like a few things like spy missions, mainly spy missions. But there's a few planets I haven't gotten to, like Europa, the Void, Neptune, I don't think, and or Pluto have been touched very much. But we're getting there along with Setting Out, so that we can do the endless missions for the Endo, I believe it is. So I want to get that unlocked as soon as possible. But take a look at today's sortie. We got Sabotage, Gold, Interception, Rescue. Seems pretty easy. But the past few days have been meh sorties, and I haven't really gotten anything crazy. I'll go ahead and take you guys through the whole Riven selection we have right now. Um, I have the Arcisco, Core, and Twin Crocodis. These three right here are not mine. These three right here are a buddies of mine. He doesn't play very often. He doesn't really do the whole selling of Riven, so I offered, just hold on to him and list them to sell them for him. So these are nothing that don't factor these in. But for now, what we have here that's actually mine is this Dragoon Riven that I've rolled 10 times, which I'm tired of rolling. If you look at it maxed here, it's decent. It gets 276 damage and damage to Corpus. The damage is just nice, negative magazine capacity, whatever. And then we got this, I believe it's a really, really good Cerebus Riven damage crit chance. Damage Grenier. Damage Grenier is meh. And it's got plus weapon recoil, which is not really a killer of the weapon. It's just a minor inconvenience. We also have a kick gun Riven, which I do not own a kick gun currently, so we're going to have to work on getting one of those. We have a rifle Riven, which is find 4 caches without raising alarms. And then we have a pistol Riven, kill 8 enemies with headshots from at least 100 meters away. These two are my most recent, and yeah,
All
we're
mods
gonna
accounted for,
we're gonna work
Operator.
on the
I have
pistol
not taken
and
any.
the rifle as soon as possible. I do believe I have Loki crafting. Yes, I have Loki crafting. We got him in a couple days. We'll have him so we can get caches without setting off the alarms. So that's positive there. Got a lot of weapons still we need to work on, like the lens. We're almost done the Soma Prime. We almost have everything for the Tigris Prime. We could build the Cortac, but who likes the Cortac, really? Frames. If we look at what's actually done, Excal, Mag, Valkyr are still here. Haven't really been grinding the MR, really. Just been working on sorties every day and farming up Kuva every once in a while. So I believe, if you guys did not see here, I do have a little stockpile of Kuva for the next Riven that I get that I want to roll. Yeah, I have 20,000 for the next Riven, which I'm hoping is one of these two, or maybe the kick gun's gonna be good. I don't know what's good for kick guns, but I'll do some research because I have not done that. I need to equip my carrier again. Equip him.
Well put together, Operator.
But
Now get
as
out
far as
there
what we
and
have right now, we have
Cut
Frost,
down
Ember,
and make the
Nova,
Lotus proud.
Oberon, Hydroid, and Volt. Now I do have a loot droid build set up currently. So we got the Pilfering Swarm, Blind Rage, Transient Fortune, Narrow-Minded. I probably would like to get Hydroid Prime so I can get the extra polarity slots. But for right now, this works. Right now we're just working with the Arc Plasmor basic radiation build. It's decent, does the job. Dual Sestra's meh, and Guandal's meh, because I don't have the right melee mods to work with that. Relics, not very many have changed. Still got a crap load of Mesos, some Neos, some Axes. I do have this one radiated for the Redeemer Prime handle. But But yeah, this is the majority of the update. Basically just ribbons, what we're working on. I might actually be able to get this ribbon done inside this video, so I might go do that. The rifle ribbon, I just want to wait until I have Loki, so I have a stealth frame, and then kick gun, kill 42 enemies with finishers without raising any alarms. That's going to be a bit of a struggle because without raising alarms. Also, syndicates. We're almost at the next tier for the red veil, so wait, I forgot. Yeah, a Rukin Catalyst for this, so we don't have one of those currently. And then the next title for this service, Prime Stock, but we get the Scattered Justice, which is going to be good for us. Right now we're sitting on 200 Platinum. We haven't really made any big sales. I made a couple purchases of, I believe, I did buy the shotgun ribbon, and I believe I bought this rifle ribbon here as well. The kick gun and the pistol I got myself, but I bought these two very cheap. I think I got the shotgun for 60 and the rifle for like 40 platinum. So, and I also bought the ribbon for this, which this is actually going to sell itself off and profit us a good bit. As far as IATANs, we got none. And we got 19,000 endo. It's meh, but it's what we got right now. We got a little snowflake there. Still looking like that. They give him some DNA stabilizers. There we go. Now you're doing all right. You're doing all right. But yeah, it's pretty much the gist. I don't know if you guys just heard steam going off there, but yeah. So I'm gonna knock out this sortie real quick, and I'll show you guys the reward. Wrap the video with that, and maybe I'll unveil the pistol ribbon on this video, because all I need to do is go into the plains with a sniper rifle and just snipe some stuff from 100 meters away. So let's go ahead and slap that on real quick. Wait, can I put kick on ribbon on here? I can, but I can't really do any finishers setup, so probably do the pistol ribbon here, and yeah. Sortie, pistol ribbon, and yeah. Yo, what's going on, guys? We just finished our sortie for the day. We got ourselves an Rukin reactor blueprint, which is going to be really nice for one of our lucky frames to get, so that's pretty cool. Sitting here thinking about who I'm going to put it on. I might put it on like Ember or Nova, one of these two. Maybe Oberon for like Eidolon hunting, maybe? Or because I already have one on Rhino, and I think I already put one on Hydroid for Loot Droid, but thinking one of these three frames. I'm not going to really use Frost and Volt. Volt's mainly just for fishing in the plains of Eidolon, and Frost is for defense missions, but I'm thinking one of these three, maybe Ember, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool reward. Let's go and get it crafted here. Bop. Okay. Yeah, right now I'm actually been farming up for alloy plates for the Kavat thing, because I did get enough Kavat genetic code, by the way. So yeah, whenever we get the alloy plates, I'm going to sit and farm about 20-30 argon crystals, which is going to give us a bunch more weapons that we can craft, like the Amprex, which would be good to have like a beam weapon of some sort. But that is pretty much it for the episode. I mean, we didn't really get much of anything really spectacular done, but the next episode I am going to be doing a huge ribbon rolling session, so look out for that. Hopefully these three ribbons here are really good, but I'm going to try and stock up some ribbons for us to roll through, and I'll try to explain what's good, what's not good, and how I price check things, and how I know what I'm doing. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it to your friends, whatever you guys want. This series is pretty new player friendly. It's not
I knelt to pray today, but no one was listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I bleed. I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Anxiety taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No, society breaking up on me, I just wanna be felt and taken to Neverland. Take me to Neverland.